how to make these water bubbles, how it works, and how they can help reduce plastic consumption in the future. So here we have a bowl of water with some sodium alginate and another bowl of water with some calcium lactate. And so the exact amounts for these, I'll put them in the description box if you would like to try this at home. So what we're going to do is take some of this sodium alginate and water solution on a spoon like this, and I'm going to slowly get some of it in the spoon and gently drop it into the calcium lactate and water solution like this. And so we're going to slowly start to see this film form around a little bit of water, and it might start to look cloudy, and when the film starts to appear, we can try and take it out of the water and we'll have a water bubble. Wow, that looks so cool. I'm gonna give it a try. Yeah, so it has a slight sweet taste on the outside, but the entire thing is edible, so that's really cool. How did the sodium alginate and calcium lactate solutions make the water into bubbles that pop with liquid inside? The two ingredients we used, sodium alginate and calcium lactate, react to each other when they're mixed. The bonds rearrange, making the alginate bind to the calcium. This creates the more gel-like liquid that hardens around the spoonful of water, creating a little water bubble. Just for fun, I'm going to try this with some juice. This would be cool on a dessert or like an ice cream to try with some juice. So this is juice with the sodium alginate. The really cool thing about this is that bubbles similar to these might be used in the future to reduce the amount of plastic we use. We use plastic every day by using water bottles. In fact, worldwide, about over 500 billion plastic water bottles have been produced each year recently. This is harmful for the environment, and people are trying to find a way to use these bubbles instead. Of course, there are still issues and flaws with this idea, like how these bubbles would be transported. Would they have to be transported in a big plastic bag, and would this continue to increase the rate of plastic consumption? However, it's still a really good idea to improve on once we figure out the logistics, and it works with most liquids, not just water, like juice, coffee, and even ketchup. These bubbles are way better for the earth and can lead to a brighter future for us and the environment. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and turn on your post notifications. Thanks for watching!